Welcome back, everyone. As usual, I welcome you and thank you for everyone for stopping by. So today we're gonna tackle the timing belt. Still sorry for the camera. I ordered the GoPro Hero 7. Maybe I will do a unpacking video, not sure. I need to get those subscribers and views because I'm halfway to monetization. Either way, but a few days back, no, it was yesterday, I finished with wiring on the body. But today, timing belt. I'm gonna switch up the format a bit of the video, so for people who don't have the book on Patrol, I will do one part, post a picture, I think on the whole screen, so you can pause the video and check out the manual for that, and then do another part, post a picture, yada yada yada, till it's done. Also got the engine hoist, or whatever it's called, the engine thingy to put in the engine. So preparing for that body connection on this one. That's gonna be interesting for me, at least. Either way, yeah, let's get started. Let me prepare some things. So obviously for you guys, you will have the full body on there and everything. I'm skipping the part about draining the coolant, removing the radiator fan, because I don't have it. If you check out my previous video, I will link it here, then you will see that I have basically built a new radiator with, the radiator is original, but I built a plate and added two fans that work from something like thermostat, but yeah, they are better than original. Either way, you need to remove the fan, the radiator hose. Then you need to remove these belts from generator, crankshaft, water pump and steering pump. And after you've done that, remove both pulleys. Also, you need to put the first cylinder in BDC position. I have zero clue what that means, but I will remove everything and then we'll see, because they have these marks that you need to have like corresponding. So straight out the bat, the screws that's holding this together, the pulleys are held on 10 millimeters. Basically, you remove the generator, crankshaft and water pump belt by unscrewing the generator screws and loosening it up, and the same for steering pump. Same for the steering pump. Generator screws was on 12 and 14 millimeters, steering pump also 12 millimeters. So oh crap, I have a light on this camera. Okay. So my central screw was stuck as hell in here. Basically what I did, maybe some of you will say that that isn't the right way to do it, but nevertheless I wanted to do it. I wanted to get that off. I don't know what's the right way. This is the first time I'm changing timing belt, but I took off starter, and then you can see there those teeth of the flywheel. Put the screwdriver in, and as you saw, used a big wrench to loosen it up. Now I just need to take that one off. So now that everything is off, we see that, like, if you don't have these marks against the pointers, then just put in the big screw back and turn the crankshaft to get them in position. But basically these are from factory, the one with the red, and you see that on this round thing there's also this dent. The blue ones are ours. We just made the marks, and yeah, just mark everything to put it back correctly, and then either remove the spring and then remove the nut from here and here, or just start removing nut and it will give way, and then you can remove the string. I'll be reusing this spring because the belt that I have, it doesn't have the, it has two rollers, but no spring. So let's get on to that. So the rollers are held in on 17 millimeters, and also this not star shaped, but yeah, this holds it, that one in there. Anyway, so new rollers, new everything. This one we can just screw down, doesn't do anything much. And here we're gonna screw a little bit down and then insert belt at the spring, and we should be golden. Also, yeah, the belt, as you can see, there are marks where my thumb is front, and two lines that you will align with the factory dots. Keep them in front, and everything should fit. Don't put it on the generator like I just did. Don't put it there. Put it inside the engine. It will work better. Let's go. So just like that, the belt is in place. Both marks are practically in front. Yeah, and the spring is back on. Now I'm just gonna start assembling. Not much to comment there. Just like that. Now everything's back in place. Generator, water pump, crankshaft, and one belt for steering pump. And next episode, the body will be attached to this one. We're just gonna do some small stuff like here at the bump stops, go through wiring one more time, check everything before ending the body. So thank you everyone for stopping by, and don't forget to leave comments, likes and everything, and see you next time. Bye.